साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि भास्कराय विद्महे साईदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सूर्यः प्रचोदयात्। प्रेमात्मनाय विद्महे हिरण्यगर्भाय धीमहि तन्नः सत्यः प्रचोदयात्।
Very good devotee of God. I bow down to his picture, go regularly to the temple, and even do all my jap and rituals without fail every day. But still, I am not happy and I have no peace at all. I must ask God this question one day. But where is God?
Sayagnas. For many years, since 1962, Bhagavan Baba has been conducting a Veda Purusha Janana Yagna for 7 days during Dasara for promoting the material and spiritual well-being of mankind. After a break of about 3 years, the performance of this yagna was resumed in October 1997 in the Purna Chandra Auditorium. Yagna is the means for securing awareness of the divine. Yagna is governed by mantras, sacrifice, and divinity. In this fire, which will never say enough, we have to offer our ego. We have to offer our I-ness, the body identification. When this body identification is offered, when this ego is put into the fire, everything will be burned. Nothing remains. The yagna, homam, proper begins with the ceremonial lighting of the sacred fire amidst chanting of Vedic hymns. Ghee is poured into the flames. Vedic hymns are recited to invoke particular form of God. Sri Satya Sai Baba says, pouring 3 tins of ghee into the yagna fire, mankind gets in return the equivalent of 300 tins of ghee. Further, its purifying effects its spread by the wind to the 4 corners of the world for the benefit of humanity. Vedic chants fill the air, rays of divine grace shower upon all mankind. Thus the yagna promotes the welfare and prosperity of the world. Baba says the yagna pleases God, who presides over the forces of nature. Baba has outlined the 5 types of yagna for man to reach God. The yagnas are Deva Yagna, divinity; Pitru Yagna, ancestral parents; Brahma or Rishi Yagna, acquiring of wisdom; Manushya or Atiti Yagna, guest, hospitality to guests, to serve the sick, to provide food to the hungry, etc. Buddha Yagna, rendering service to all living beings. The yagna conducted in Prashanti Nilayam is the sum and substance of all these 5 types of yagnas. In this yagna, offerings are made in this one fire with recitation of different names of God, extolled in elaborate hymns. Each name describes God as having a special form, and so more than 3,560 such offerings are made each day for 7 consecutive days. Baba further says, every day perform the yagna of pouring egoistic desires and emotions, passions, impulses, and acts into the flames of dedication and devotion. In fact, that is the real yagna, of which these are reflections,